right, what we have here today is the new RTIC road trip cooler. This is the larger size, the 16 quart. I already have the smaller size, the 8 quart, but I waited for this color. It's the Pond Pale Pink. It's not always available on their website. I want to see how much different it is than the smaller version. I know the smaller version, the 8 quart, can hold 8 bottles of water standing up. This one has a strap on it. The 8 quart has a hard handle, so that's a little different. Kind of blue with the pink inside. Push the button. And we have the 16 quart road trip cooler freezer divider and the free mug they gave you for Father's Day. And a little card there. Now I have the smaller 8 quart cooler right here. You can see the size comparison between the two. You can look in here. This one can hold, and you can put a freezer pack in here, maybe even get one down in between them. But this can hold the 8 bottles pretty good. Now this one here, like to see, this has a push button release to open where this one doesn't. You just pull it and it closes. Now if we take some of these water bottles, we can try to see how many we can get in here. We know we can do 2 rows. There, that's about it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 2, you can get 10. So you can get, this one can do 2 more water bottles than the smaller one. So even though it's like twice the capacity, you can also stack, I guess, 4 more on top. So if you really wanted to, I guess you could get like 14, 6 more, and still put some ice packs in here or something, sandwiches. But yeah, I think both of these are good sizes to have. This one doesn't have a locking lid. See, this one, when you lift the handle, it locks the lid, so you can't lift it anymore. You have to close that down in order to lift the lid up. These things come out right here when you lift the handle and lock the lid in these grooves here. This, I guess, has the lock where you just go down and then you have to push the button to release it. So that's its lock. That way it has the soft handle, since it doesn't have the hard one to do the locking mechanism. So you push it in, closes and snaps.